The night sky over Kuwait suddenly lit up with explosions. Missile alarms were screaming across military bases. Radar screens were filling with signals. Missiles, drones, and fast-moving aircraft. It looked like the beginning of a massive attack, and in the middle of that chaos, 3 American fighter jets were racing through the darkness. These were not ordinary aircraft. They were the Boeing F-15E Strike Eagle, one of the most powerful combat jets ever built. But just minutes later, something unbelievable happened. One of the jets suddenly burst into flames, then another, and then a third. Within moments, 3 American warplanes were falling from the sky over Kuwait. At first, people thought Iran had just scored a massive victory. But when investigators looked closer, the truth was even more shocking. Because those jets were not shot down by the enemy. They were accidentally shot down by an American ally. To understand how something like this could happen, we need to go back to the beginning of that night. Tensions in the Middle East were already extremely high. The United States had launched major operations targeting Iranian drone and missile networks. Dozens of aircraft were flying missions across the region every single night. Fighters, surveillance, planes, tankers, and support aircraft were all sharing the same airspace. At the same time, Iran was launching waves of drones and missiles toward American positions. Several regional bases were already under threat, including locations inside Kuwait. Kuwait is one of the United States' key allies in the region, and it hosts important military facilities used by American forces. That night, Kuwaiti air defenses were placed on maximum alert. Radar operators were watching the skies non-stop. Every unidentified object had to be analyzed in seconds. And then, the alarm started going off. Multiple objects were detected approaching Kuwaiti airspace. Some were missiles, some were drones, and some were fast-moving aircraft. In response, Kuwaiti air defense systems prepared to intercept anything that looked hostile. At that exact moment, 3 American Boeing F-15E Strike Eagle jets were flying nearby. They were part of the U.S. mission supporting operations in the region. The pilots believed they were operating safely alongside Allied forces, but on Kuwaiti radar screens, something didn't look right. According to early reports, the aircraft were mistakenly identified as hostile targets, and within seconds, missiles were launched. One of the F-15s was hit first. Witnesses later described seeing the aircraft spinning toward the ground, with flames trailing behind it. Inside the cockpit, the 2 crew members had only seconds to react. The F-15E Strike Eagle is a 2-seat fighter jet. A pilot controls the aircraft, while a weapons systems officer manages the radar, sensors, and weapons. When the missile struck, both crew members pulled the ejection handle. Explosive charges blasted the canopy away. Rocket-powered seats fired them into the night sky. Within seconds, their parachutes deployed. Below them, their aircraft was falling toward the ground in flames. But the chaos wasn't over yet. 2 other American F-15s were also hit or severely damaged during the incident. All 3 aircraft were ultimately lost. But incredibly, every single crew member survived. All 6 American airmen successfully ejected and landed safely. Local witnesses on the ground saw parachutes descending from the sky. Some rushed toward the landing sites to help the pilots. At first, some civilians believed the downed pilots might be Iranian, but once they realized they were Americans, they helped guide them to safety until rescue teams arrived. The entire event lasted only a few minutes, but it immediately raised a massive question. How could Allied forces accidentally shoot down 3 U.S. fighter jets? Military experts say the answer lies in something called the fog of war. Modern battlefields are incredibly complex. Multiple aircraft from different countries operate in the same airspace. Missiles and drones travel at extreme speeds. Radar operators must make split-second decisions. And sometimes, the situation becomes too chaotic to process perfectly. In this case, Kuwaiti defenses were reacting to real threats from Iranian missiles and drones. Their systems detected multiple targets at once, and in that confusion, the American jets were mistakenly classified as hostile. Once an interceptor missile is fired, there's almost no way to stop it. Investigators later confirmed the incident appeared to be a case of friendly fire, not enemy action. Kuwait quickly acknowledged the possibility of a misidentification. Both countries began working together to understand exactly what happened. Several factors may have contributed. Radar confusion, communication breakdowns, or electronic interference caused by multiple military systems operating simultaneously. In high-intensity conflicts, these kinds of mistakes have happened before. Even advanced militaries with the most sophisticated technology can make tragic errors when the battlefield becomes crowded and chaotic. But there is one remarkable part of this story. Despite losing 3 multi-million-dollar fighter jets, not a single American pilot was killed. That survival was no accident. U.S. Air Force pilots undergo some of the most intense survival training in the world. They train for scenarios where their aircraft is destroyed, where they must eject, land in hostile territory, and survive until rescue arrives. And on that night over Kuwait, that training saved 6 lives. Today, investigations are still ongoing. Military analysts are studying radar data, communications logs, and air defense system recordings, because understanding exactly what went wrong is critical to preventing it from happening again. The skies over modern battlefields are more crowded than ever. Stealth jets, drones, missiles, electronic warfare systems, all operating at once. And sometimes, even the most powerful air forces on Earth must deal with an uncomfortable truth. In war, the greatest danger isn't always the enemy. Sometimes, it's the chaos itself.